Why are you that angry person? Very simple. When you were growing up, people were angry with you. They did things to you that you've considered unfair. And which is why you are now defending yourself. You're protecting yourself. And so you take it out on others. You're a young person and you're an angry young person. You realize you have a problem. Not many people who are angry realize that they've got a problem. But you do, and I like you for that. So, what's going on? You're out of control because you're reacting from all those memories you had in the past, which is running your body right now. So this is a problem that a lot of people have. Let me tell you something first. When you are an angry person, you are slowly killing yourself. So it doesn't pay to be angry, okay? You know, there's more than what you are thinking about right now. When you become angry, you will become sick. Because there is a study called the Miracles of Water. Okay, our body is 70% water. And when we get angry or any other negative emotion, the molecular structure of our water will become bad. And our cells are also made of water. So when the molecular structure of the water becomes bad, they become sick and they will die. And then when one dead cell occurs, there will be more dead cells. And slowly there will be an organ failure. So the first thing you want to understand is being angry is not good for you from your health point of view. Same thing happens to your brain. Okay? You have to think, right? And thinking involves emotions. If you are in a nice, cool, chill emotional state, your brain works much better. But when you are angry, your peripheral vision becomes foveal. That means tunnel vision. Okay? And you will go, I am right, everyone is wrong. And that's when you become a nightmare and people you said are scared of you. Obviously they're scared of you because you turn into an animal, not a human, when you are angry. So they may be not scared of you, okay? There's nothing to be scared of you, okay? They just don't like to be around you because you look like an animal when you get angry. So my guidance to you is be your own observer. If there's somebody out there looking at me and I'm getting angry, or if I can feel the anger coming on, I can say, stop. Take a step back. Look away. Breathe. And then go back and communicate. Add a pause. Observe, catch yourself, pause, step back, breathe. Because you are smart, that this anger came from something that happened to you in the past. It's not you. You are a good person. Your past is running your body right now. You're not your past. You are this person now. You don't want to let your past destroy you. Because this is going to destroy you if you keep going. Okay? And so, add that pause. Observe. Catch yourself. Pause. Don't talk to anybody when you are angry. Just stay away. Breathe. Bring your emotion back. And then go in. Because that's not you. You leave that person behind. And then come back and be the true you in that encounter with that person. And the other thing is this. They don't deserve your animosity. Nobody deserves the bad side of you. Nobody. Not even you. So every human being deserves the best you. And when you show the best you, they will show the best them too. So what you want to do is to open up, be more human, do the pause, and then soon they will believe you, and slowly they will become relaxed, and then you can have a beautiful relationship. And when you have a beautiful relationship with one another, if you're a leader, they will sort of work for you. I die for my people because I love them, my family and people like them. When I do dangerous things with them, I go first. And so that is how people will treat you when you are a good person. But that doesn't mean if someone does something wrong, you're going to be good to them and do nothing. No, no, no. You can correct somebody without getting upset. There is a problem. Okay, go fix it. Okay? You must correct people because not everybody is doing things in a correct way. So to be critical, to correct is important as a leader. But you don't have to drama and go all angry as you correct someone. You know why? They hate you because of that. Even if you tell them something precious, they won't want to listen to you because it came through your anger. That's no good. So it pays to be calm and intelligent. No need to use your emotion to get your message across. Use love, use intelligence, and everybody will want to work with you. Because one day, if nobody wants to work with you, you will have to leave your job. You will have to close down. Somebody's going to kick you out. So the only way you're going to survive or do well in work is when everybody wants to work with you. And together, everything can grow. If you're alone, you're going to soon get kicked out, or if you're doing business, you're going to crash. You're going to go bankrupt because nobody wants to work with you. Even if they work with you, they work for money. Okay? And they won't do well. Just money and they go away. And one day they will do something bad to you because you hurt them. They cannot forget someone who hurt them. So you got to start changing right now. Rewind this video and check what I taught you and practice that. Thank you.